morning everyone and welcome back to my channel. So it is Saturday morning and it is the first weekend in December, which means I'm vlogging. I'm so excited to be vlogging every weekend and also doing Vlogmas. It's been a lot of fun. I hope you're enjoying Vlogmas so far. So I don't have much planned this weekend, so it's going to be a fun Christmas weekend. I have to finish editing my video that's going up today, just this morning. I just have to upload it. And yeah, we'll just take the day as it comes. I'm gonna go downstairs and get some coffee. If you follow me on Instagram, you would know this, but I got the Nespresso advent calendar countdown. So let's go see what today's coffee is. It's been a fun little surprise every morning to get my coffee. So let's go down and get some coffee and breakfast. So I have my coffee. It was just a regular, like, plain, I think level 7 intensity Nespresso. And now I'm going to make breakfast. I literally think I'm going to have cinnamon and sugar toast. I haven't had that in years and I just am having a craving. So let's make some toast. So now I'm going to watch some Vlogmas videos while I enjoy my breakfast, and then we will get ready for the day. Okay, so all I have left for my video for today is to just add some voiceovers. So I'm gonna record those right now, and then we will add those in and get this video uploaded. All right, so the video that I'm posting today is Breezy Hairstyles. I'm obsessed with all of them and I really like how this video turned out. So I will have it linked down below, also in a top story card right above, right here for you guys to check out and comment that you came from this video. Alright, so first up we have the Pigtail Braids. This one is one of my favorites and I've been seeing it all over Instagram and Pinterest recently. Alright, I'm gonna continue these and hope it doesn't take too long. Alright, so I finished editing and now I'm just uploading the video. I'm watching a Tara Michelle Vlogmas vlog while I wait for it to upload. And then once the video is set to live, I think I'm gonna put away some of my laundry and then eventually my mom and I are going to go on a walk. It's kind of chilly outside, it's like 30 degrees, but we want to get some fresh air and some exercise, so we're gonna go for a little walk. Alright, so I've been putting away my laundry for a while, so it is... I have a lot of laundry to put away. Alright, so I'm all ready. I have on just some leggings, a hoodie, turtleneck. I'm tipping over and I'm ready to go on a walk. Okay, so I'm going to put on these wind pants for a walk because it's chilly out. I feel like leggings is not enough. Bundling up, and then I have on my turtleneck, my crew neck, and then I'll have my winter coat on, and hat and gloves and everything. All set, have my jacket, come show yours.
All set, got my warm coat on, I have my mask in my pocket. I'm not gonna put mine on right now.
And we're walking in the woods, so.
We're walking in the woods.
There's not gonna be
We will be the only ones.
All right, we're on our walk. I literally can't catch my breath. I'm tired and it's cold, so it makes it even worse. But we're walking. Here we have a water reservoir. And to our left, we have my mom.
Who also is having a hard time breathing. We just came up of, you know, a good sized hill.
And now we're headed into these woods over here. And it's so pretty in here.
We're gonna have a better view because now all the leaves are off the trees. So we can see between the trees. And we're up, you know, kind of high to the village. So we're going to get a good view. I guess these are all evergreens, so not that much more clear, but
it kind of feels like we're in Twilight, like this is where they filmed the Twilight movie. Do you agree, Mom?
Oh, yes, for sure.
Oh, we got the thumbnail.
Fun. Having fun with my lady.
We love it.
And toes. Maybe toes are a little chilly.
Yeah, toes are chilly.
But we have nice warm coats on and a hat. Keeping us warm.
My mother is outside getting gas. Oh, she's so cute. I'm dying. We used to do that Superman trick all the time. All you have to do is go behind a door and start peeking out, and it's so funny. My mom. Oh. Oh. Did it work? Yep. Hi, we got gas. Okay, so we're back from the walk, and I'm making a campfire. Here's the fire. Let's hope it gets going good. And then we have a candle going, and now I'm in charge of getting the movie going, and we are going to watch National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation, our favorite. My mom is making hot chocolate and popcorn, and we are going to have a fun little movie afternoon evening. So we So we actually have the DVD of Christmas Vacation because it's not on Netflix or anything. So we are going old-fashioned and using a DVD.
A minute and a half and a packet of chocolate with a little bit of water and almond milk.
Thank you.
It's perfect.
Looks like we're at the movie theater.
Oh yes, can't have a movie without a popcorn.
All right, so we have our popcorn, our yummy puppy chow, and hot chocolate, and we are ready to watch Christmas Vacation with the tree on and the campfire. Okay, so we just had dinner. No, not just. It's 8:45. Okay, so I haven't talked to you in a bit, but we are watching a movie right now, and we want a little dessert. Literally all it is desserts today. We had hot chocolate. That's all I showed. We are going to make root beer floats. We have root beer and vanilla ice cream. And I don't even know if I've ever had a root beer float before, so this is a first.
Like a really large scoop. It's very, very foamy.
Yeah, they said do it at an angle.
Oh, are you ready for yours?
Yep. Oh my god.
It's so foamy.
Wow.
It looks just like a Soooo shop.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna overflow. Time for a taste test. Do I like?
Oh my gosh, that is so yummy. That is so good.
Good morning everyone and happy Sunday. So I just had my coffee and breakfast, as I'm sure you saw, and now I'm just finishing up editing and posting my Vlogmas for today, and then after that I'm going to take a bath. Today is Sunday and I just feel like taking a bath today, so we're going to. Alright, so I just got out of the shower and my hair is soaked, but I need to brush my hair out. Alright, so it is lunchtime and my mom actually made buffalo chicken wing dip, so we are going to have some of that. If you've never had it before, it's so good, so I would definitely recommend trying. It's just buffalo chicken wing dip. You can look up the recipe online. I'll have it linked down below. And then I just eat it with like corn chips, so let's have that. All right, so my mom is making, what's it called? Butter crunch candy. So we're going to make this with her. I'll have the recipe linked down. Do you think this recipe would be online?
I don't know.
I'll have the recipe either linked down below or I'll have all of the recipe written in the description so you guys can make it. I've never had it before, or if I have I?
I don't think so. No, I
Yeah.
haven't made this in a long time.
So it is a first for me and a second for you? Or have you made this more than once?
More than, yeah, I've made
Okay.
it definitely more than once, but many years ago.
And
And it's so yummy, and it's kind of like a heat bar. I would say like toffee, crunchy with chocolate and nuts.
all right.
See? But you have to constantly stir it or else it'll burn.
It's scary.
Very careful, I know. It's very scary. It's like carameling. Ow, that's oh, dang. Get those nuts in there. Now we need the vanilla. We need the vanilla. All right, it's going in.
Oh my god.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Ow, the spoon is really
Oh my
hot.
god.
Now I'm supposed to spread this around. Spreading. Oh dang! Oh, it's so hot, Lauren.
This way?
Anyway, it doesn't have to be perfectly round or
Oh
square.
my god.
It's gonna be fine because you know what we're gonna do. I mean, eventually you just
What is
put it-
that? Thick?
It is a little thick. Ow!
Now we are double boiling some chocolate chips to put on top, right?
Yes, to put on top. Yeah. Thicker than it should be. Like maybe it just started to harden so quickly.
It did. All right, so it's all done. Now we just have to refrigerate it for 2 hours, and then when it's all hardened, then we break it into small, like little pieces. Oh my god, she's so fast. All right, so we are breaking the candy. It looks so good. I'm really excited to try it. It's like, it looks really good. I know it's gonna be very sweet. Whoa!
It's a big old chunk. This one for some reason is really stuck.
Wow.
Oh, there we go. Yeah, it's going to be very sweet.
Wow.
And you just kind of break it in like all these irregular shapes.
All right, so I'm trying the candy for the first time. Focus. Ooh. All right, let's just try it. Mmm. Kind of reminds me of a magic bar.
Oh, but like hard.
Crunchy magic bar.
Crunchy magic bar. Yeah. That one's just stuck right on there. We have one stubborn piece. Well, that's mine.
All right, so I'm going to end off my weekend vlog here. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like this video and subscribe down below. I'm going to be vlogging every weekend in December, so make sure you guys subscribe. And I'm doing Vlogmas, so subscribe so you can see my videos every single day. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye.